Warm greetings on this wonderful occasion. The PTA Awards have always been a memorable event in the school calendar, a time where we acknowledge the academic and sporting achievements of our students. We are delighted that even in these trying times, we are able to keep up the spirit and honor excellence and commitments of our students, though the modality changes. I would like to request our principal sir to kindly say a few words.
Parents, grandparents, PTA representatives, teachers, and most importantly, students. I said most importantly students because they have been performing exceedingly well, and PTA awards are given out to acknowledge that. They have been guided well by the teachers, so I would like to compliment all the teachers on this occasion. And of course, the event is organized by the PTA, who have been working really hard. They have been working with the tablets, providing the tablets, book drive they have carried out, and they have provided scribes from time to time besides helping the school in various functions. So I compliment the PTA and the Secretary Nirja Gupta for all the good work that they have been doing. This year, the number of sports awards are slightly less because the events have been much less in number. Therefore, to compensate, we are giving out 4 additional awards to the students who have done exceedingly well. To those students who have passed out, normally we don't give out sports awards, PTA awards to the students who have passed out, but this time we are making this exception. We are giving out these awards to Aditya Verma for archery, Thienga for basketball, Divij Mehra for cricket, and Chetan Kangrial for football, for they have exceedingly done well in these sports. Besides these, I would like to compliment all the students. It's not about whether you won a PTA award or not. It's about how you have been playing the game, how you have been performing in academics. I must compliment and appreciate all the students guided by the teachers, the way they have been shaping up. Keep up the good work, I would like to say, during these unprecedented times, and keep the flag of the school flying high. Thank you very much.
We have been able to achieve such fantastic results because the captain of our ship, our principal sir, has guided our education system in a manner to keep it going. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to invite Ramika to announce the name of the award winners for classes S1 and S2.
We start with the batch toppers of class S1, present S2. Amira Jain, first in class with an aggregate of 98.83%. Vihan Singh Oberoi, also first in class with an aggregate of 98.83%. Arnav Sad, second in class with an aggregate of 98.58%. Ishmehet Kaur, third in class with an aggregate of 98.17%. Next, we have the names of students who scored the highest marks in individual subjects. These are being displayed on the screen. Now, the names of students who scored 95% and above marks in aggregate are being displayed on the screen. Now we present the batch toppers of class S2, present S3. Samaira Deesh, first in class with an aggregate of 98.83%. Arab Budhiraj, also first in class with an aggregate of 98.83%. Zara Javed, second in class with an aggregate of 98.67%. Anya Maheshwari, third in class with an aggregate of 98.33%. Devasya Agarwal, also third in class with an aggregate of 98.33%. Now we have the names of students who scored highest marks in individual subjects. These are being displayed on the screen. Next, we have the names of children who scored 95% and above marks in aggregate. These are also being displayed on the screen.
Now the batch toppers of class S3 present S4. Purna Gautam Tiwari, first in class with an aggregate of 99.8%. Riya Devika Bhasin, first in class with an aggregate of 99.8%. Arshia Goel, second in class with an aggregate of 98.5%. Ishani Agrawal, third in class with an aggregate of 98.33%. Now the names of the students who scored highest marks in individual subjects, their names will be displayed on the screen. Now the names of the students who scored 94% and above in aggregate, their names will be displayed on the screen. Now the toppers for class S4 present S5. Ananya Dhawan, first in class with an aggregate of 99%. Priyal Gupta, second in class with an aggregate of 98.4%. Yashvardhan Mardha, third in class with an aggregate of 98.2%. Now the names of the students will be displayed on the screen who scored highest marks in subjects. Now the names of the students who scored 94% and above in aggregate, their names will be displayed on the screen.
And now I will read the batch toppers of class S5, present S6. Rayan Bangya, first in class, 98.4%. Kamakshi Gupta, second in class, 97.8%. Nandita Gopal, second in class, 97.8%. Varnika Gakkar, second in class, 97.6%. Ira Agrawal is third in class with a percentage of 96.8. Jayant Agrawal, third in class, again 96.8%. Avya Goyal, third in class, 96.8%. Sanvi Garg, third in class, 96.8%. And Shreya Sethi, who's also third in class with a percentage of 96.8. Now behind me you will see the slides of all the students who've got the highest marks in individual subjects. And now behind me is a list of the children who've got 94% and above in aggregate. And now for the award winners of class S6, present S7. Siddhant Ahuja, first in science stream, 96.6%. Anirudh Jain, second in science stream, 96.2%. Vrinda Gupta, third in science stream, 96%. And now for the commerce students. Zaina Sharma, first in commerce, 96%. Navya Gupta, second in commerce, 95.2%. Kashfi Dua, third in commerce, 95%. Tejas Mehta, third in commerce, 95%. Then for the humanities stream, Rivka Vasudeva, first in the humanities stream, 95.4%. Aditi Tuli, second in the humanities stream, 95%. Manvi Jain, third in the humanities stream, 94.8%. Next we have a list of all the students who've got the highest marks in individual subjects. And then all the students who've got 93% and above in aggregate.
Class 7 passed out. The batch toppers are Jagriti Natraj, first in science stream with an aggregate of 98%. Devansh Mathur, first in science stream with an aggregate of 98%. Rishabh Jain, first in science stream having scored 98%. Aman Jolly, second in science stream with an aggregate of 97.8%. Arshia Singhal, third in science stream with an aggregate of 97.6%. Akshay Behra, third in science stream with an aggregate of 97.6%. Divij Jain, third in science stream having scored 97.6%. Lakshay Arora, third in science stream with an aggregate of 97.6%. Now in commerce stream, Ananya Taneja, first in commerce stream with an aggregate of 99%. She is also our school topper. Congratulations, Ananya. G. Shiva Ramakrishnan, second in common stream with an aggregate of 98.8%. Arshita Jain, second in commerce stream with an aggregate of 98.8%. Kashika Goyal, second in commerce stream, 98.8%. Yatin Ivy, second in commerce stream, having scored 98.8%. Kavya Agarwal, third in commerce stream with an aggregate of 98.6%. Now in humanities stream, Meghna Agarwal, first in humanities stream having scored 98.2%. Yajat Kumar, second in humanities stream with an aggregate of 98%. Mandhir Singh, second in humanities stream with 98%. Khushi Khanna, second in humanities stream with an aggregate of 98%. Nandini Sachdeva, third in humanities stream with an aggregate of 97.6%. Ritvik Mitra, third in humanities stream with an aggregate of 97.6%. Abhishri Martha, third in humanities stream with an aggregate of 97.6%. Now the name of the students who scored 97% and above marks in aggregate will be displayed on the screen. Now we move on to the PTA Sports Awards. These awards are most remarkable because they were achieved in the most trying of circumstances and is a testimony to the determination of these students. Congratulations to all the students and wishing them a bright future. Now I would request Mrs. Jaya Khurana, Headmistress, Senior Wing, will propose the vote of thanks.
I thank the members of the PTA who have worked tirelessly to ensure smooth running of this event. I thank our principal, Dr. Vijay Datta, for being the catalyst who inspires our students to do their best and excel. His mentorship has seen the school grow from strength to strength. With deep sense of appreciation, I thank our teachers for their untiring efforts to ensure that the students are made capable and worthy of being the recipients of these awards, both in academics as well as in sports. My sincere gratitude goes out to all our parents who have been our strength, and their unstinted support has been the wind beneath our wings. We are very grateful for that. Thank you. Thank you very much for joining the event. This kind of a program cannot be organized overnight. The wheels start moving weeks ahead. It requires planning and careful execution. We have been fortunate to be supported by a team who has dedicatedly made this happen. Thank you for all your efforts. Finally, I would like to thank and congratulate all our students who have excelled in academics and sports and have made us all proud. This has been possible because of your hard work and diligent efforts. May you continue to excel. Once again, thanking everyone for their contribution towards making this program a success. Thank you.